Today, we're tackling a super common household issue, the dripping tap. Believe it or not, a single dripping tap like this can waste up to 1 liter of water per hour. That's 24 liters a day just going down the drain. But don't worry, fixing it is easier than you think. Step 1. Confirm the problem. You'll know you've got a faulty tap washer when, no matter how tightly you turn the tap off, it just keeps dripping. Step 2. Turn off the water supply. First things first, let's turn off the water supply. Once that's done, open the tap fully to release any water left in the pipe. Step 3. Remove the tap headgear. Now we're going to remove the tap head. Grab a spanner. Hold the tap body steady and unscrew the nut anti-clockwise like this. Step 4. Replace the washer. Alright, with the headgear off, you'll see the rubber washer sitting at the end of what's called a tap jumper. To remove it, take a small flathead screwdriver and gently lever the washer off. Now grab your new washer and push it onto the same spindle. Make sure it's fully seated and snug. That's it. The washer's replaced. Step 5. Reassemble the tap. Now screw the headgear back into the tap body. Again, hold the tap steady and tighten the nut securely, but don't over-tighten. Step 6. Test it out. Time to test it. Turn the tap off, then turn your water supply back on. Perfect. No more dripping. You've just fixed a leaking tap and saved yourself water, money, and hassle. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY fixes, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy fixing.